Alright, people. Holla at your boy. So it's a good looking day today. So what we're gonna do today, we're gonna try to handle the dwarf caiman, right? We're gonna try to take him outside, get some natural sunlight. They've been over here beating up and tearing up the villagers up in here. Right? Got a little warmer in there, warmed the water up a little bit. As soon as I warm the water up, made them kind of rowdy, so let's go ahead and try to get Blazing Razor outside so we get some of that natural sunlight. Get him warmed up. Try to get him used to being handled and touched. Right, it's time to raise the water level. So let's go ahead and get him outside. People, holler at your boy. Yeah, he's over there making noises. What you saying, Blaze? What you got to say? All right, people, let's get him outside. All right. Come on, Razor. Got your mouth wide open. Right, and he wasn't the easiest to get outside. He definitely was trying to bite and do the most of things. So we don't know. But we outside to try to do some handling, right? Right. Oh, you see that? That's new, isn't it? Right? You see him getting older now, right? Now they can launch and go fast. Look how fast that gator went. That's Blaze right there for you. Come on, Blaze. We see you can run very fast. And I do understand that you can bite. People, this Blaze, oh my God. So watch out, people. Blaze will definitely get you. So the new approach that I went, it's been a lot of cold water lately. And inside the confinement, I put a tank warmer so they don't freeze over. I'm over here touching his tail. He's definitely disrupted by it. But, ever since I warmed the water in the confinement, they've been a little extra rowdy and more moving and walking and running and all kind of stuff like that. So it's been pretty cool, people. But when you do warm them up, they do get a little extra bitey, so might snip you and snap you. So this morning when I was trying to hold the camera, he went ahead and bit me. Because at the end of the day, people, that's what gators do, right? They're professional biters. Right? Even though they look cool. Right? He is definitely going to try to get me. He's going to try, right? You got to put your hand in his mouth for him to do it. Just touching on the bottom used to make him nervous, but he allows it. But he's warmed up, you know what I'm saying? He's up to temperature. Normal reptiles, when you get them up to a certain temperature, they tend to get a little rowdy and they move around extra aggressive. What's up, Blaze? But we out here giving Blaze that natural sunlight. All right, we need to go see what Razor doing. Let's go check on Razor. All right, so we made it over here by the other dwarf caiman Razor. All right, Razor's the chilled one. Which, I'm not gonna say he don't bite because it's a dwarf caiman, But this one is more relaxed, that I can trust in my hand, him to not snip a thumb off. But Blaze, nah, it's not that easy with Blaze. See, get my hand right off a Razor, all nice, and he just opens up like alligators do. But you tend to see that this one is more trustworthy than the other alligator, because this gator right here, I guess he trusts you. Because this Blaze. Now, Blaze is pretty snappy. Yeah, we know you're snappy. Yeah, exactly. I'm talking about you. Go ahead, tell the people. You know we talking about you. Whoa. Exactly, dude. Who wanna get bit by Blaze? Nobody. Nobody don't. Like, you need to learn how to stop doing that. Alright, people, we over here handling the dwarf caiman. Alright, I want to get back over there and handle those tree boas, right? Those things are pretty cool. But no, we gotta go get Blaze and Razor some handling time, right? Gotta bring y'all outside. People want to see y'all, right? No, you don't think it's a good idea? All right, you see they're growing, right? I mean, I need to put a tape measure up to them and see how long they're getting. But you see, my dwarf caiman are healthy, growing strong. Look at that neck, right? That's how you know. You see how thick his neck is. Right, and everybody know that Blaze got green eyes. And Razor over here has brown eyes. Right? Plus, oh my goodness, Razor, that's what I'm talking about. But he didn't get me, so I'll let your boy people join me when I go over here and make some food for these dwarf caiman or something like that. So I'm going to go ahead and let them chill outside, get some more of that natural sunlight, while I go ahead and watch them. Because in the backyard, I do have a rabbit that's running around back here. His name's Cotton, so. All right, peace out, people. Showing us on another time when we handling Blaze and Razor. I'm going to let them chill outside for a little while. Look at that mouth. I'll go ahead and take a picture for you. Oh, snap. The journey inside of a dwarf caiman's mouth. Right? If y'all never seen inside of Blaze's mouth, there you go. So inside of his mouth, he has a whole lot of sensors in there. Look at these things. And then his throat somewhere in there, right? He has like a throat where he can like close it and open it up. And then if you blow air in there, those jaws will just clamp down immediately. See that? Crazy. Alright, peace out, people. This your boy Blaze and Razor. We're going to go ahead and prepare some food for them to eat. Probably give them a bath, rinse their mouth out. It's your boy KP from KP Reptiles. Make sure y'all hit the like button, people. If y'all new to my channel, go ahead and subscribe. It's your boy KP from KP Reptiles, handling the dwarf caiman.